So, you know we gotta talk about the birds and the bees, right?
We've already talked about.
I don't think we talked about the birds.
We did. Alright, we were just like we were outside or whatever. We already talked about it.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here?
My bad, I literally just got out the shower. That's why I told your granny to call me when y'all got here.
We were dying outside.
How long was y'all out there?
Huh?
How long was y'all out there?
Like, what do you mean? It only took like maybe 12 minutes to get here.
Man,
Takes me about how long to get back.
I know I'm gonna turn the heat off. Mad cold. Yo, calm down.
It is.
Yeah. Alright, y'all brought the controller?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. We gonna play some Tekken 8. Tekken 8, you about to get cooked. Tekken 8, you about to get cooked. Super good. You guys never told me what y'all think about my braids. I got braids.
Yellow, stop.
So like,
Oh my god, I'm not.
yeah, I got braids before y'all. That's crazy.
That is false information.
That's good. You had braids before?
I've taken them out. I don't even think anyone took them out for me. I literally got so tired of them on my head, I just took them out myself.
I don't even remember you having braids for real.
Cause mom did it.
Dang. Sheesh.
I bet yellow.
Yo, back up.
It's just
You
a
obnoxious,
dude wearing
gang.
a freaking mask.
You should get on the chair before she starts looking at you, bro.
You can't even see him to the mask.
Who you picking? Who you picking, Marlon?
I picked Eddie.
Yes.
Eddie? Oh, that's my Eddie Guerrero, bro.
You got the Megazord?
Eddie Gordo, that's my favorite
Why is
character.
it the Megazord Samurai? Like, what the heck?
What?
You got Leroy Jenkins.
Yo.
This is the Megazord Samurai.
Leroy
Like, who is
Jenkins.
this?
No, bro.
Advanced ninjutsu.
I want to see Ian fight with the panda. I ain't
Bro,
gonna lie.
dude, this guy.
Bro, this is the guy from this is from One Punch Man. That's his teacher. What was his name?
Who is this? Paul is not.
Bro, Paul is crazy.
Raven?
They don't know nothing about Tekken. They like, is this your first time playing Tekken?
Yes.
No, but I know this character from Tekken.
They don't know nothing about
this is the
Tekken,
only
bro.
guy
I gotta get them
them. He has those like laser death eyes, I guess.
I don't know.
I'm about to let them play first,
I don't know what
and then see who's worthy of my
Okay,
competition.
We go into
You feel
the
me?
arena.
Who you pick? Ian?
I picked Kazuya.
Kazuya.
Wait, can I not pick?
You can pick, yeah, I think.
Crazy, man. Like,
You can't. I think I picked something. and
Bro
then you
about to
picked,
get
and you
cooked.
just- No, I just picked.
alright.
Kazuya.
I got. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, stop playing.
Quero futuro melhor.
That's what Ian picked.
Round one.
Okay, I'm so cooked.
I'm with this. You're already with the button mashing. Oh, the drop kick thing? I don't even know.
I didn't even get up.
Dang.
The block break? What the electric god face? Yep, that's exactly what that is. How do you? Ooh, wait.
Hold on, he's
That
getting
was
close.
That was a little something.
Oh! Oh, you getting cooked, my guy.
Wait.
I haven't even played this.
Oh my god! My ultimate. I'm
Stop it!
Hey, I think Mylan
a
might be worthy of my competition game.
Oh, you're smashed!
Oh my god!
I don't even know what that was. Oh, you're really smashed. Oh, wait, that's the guard, the counter, the guard. Wait, I'm okay cooking.
Oh my god! Stop! Get off me!
Oh my goodness.
1 and 1.
I'm okay cooking. You got the heat first? Oh no!
Stop! Bro, stop going super, bro. I don't even. Stop!
Hey.
I'm okay cooking. I'm okay cooking.
Bro.
Come on, Mylan, how you win the first one, gang?
I really felt that, I guess.
Stop! Get off! Get off!
my rage art. Let me walk
That's
in.
me.
Ah, that kind of hurt.
Stop.
Oh,
No.
Dang.
Oh, round 5, I guess it goes to. Ah, I'm not letting this happen. You're chopped.
Stop. Stop.
We about to see, man. We about to see who I'm about to
I don't
cook.
even know what I'm doing.
My fingers itching.
Get up. Stop it. Stop right there, sir.
There is a block, but it also feels like there is. Your box is on the wall.
Die. No. You do.
Rage art.
Oh!
Dude. No, nah.
Not having this. You cooked me too much. You cooked me too much. That last round. Not having it. Stop it. Get off me.
Oh, 2 staggers?
We both staggered each other. Stop it. Get up.
I literally don't know what that
Tyria. Die.
Ew.
W. I win. There's no tomorrow for you, buddy. There's no tomorrow for you.
Get boxed.
I mean, like, already. I have no idea what this move are. Stop. Get off me.
Dude, the law's getting beat up.
I show him the law.
Oh.
Law.
Oh.
Gotta show him the law. Tyria. Grab his leg.
What? Bro, that's not my controller, gang.
Did I ask if it was you?
God, get out of here, boy.
Stop it. No way.
Get out of
No.
Man, that's sad.
Already fried. Tyria. Bro, he's like Liu Kang, bro. It might be my man. I just saw that dragon.
You got that kick to the stomach, man.
He is martial arts.
He has
just had a
nunchucks.
nunchuck.
Come on.
He just broke his leg.
What do you think you're doing, sir? Oh my God! What is this? Shoryuken! Stop it! You really think I need your power? Die!
What was the What was that freaky movement he did? Oh, you're chopped!
Stop! Yes!
Come on, man.
Does it look like I need your power? He is martial artist.
Where's the eagle?
He's a martial artist. Flame flow. No! Counter it. Stop. Look at bro trying to hit the break dance on me. Ah! Yeah! Stop it.
What? He's just doing stuff.
Stop it.
He's just doing stuff. He's just the llama. He's beat up the. Is that no alpaca? What is that?
Okay, let's go then. Stop! No!
Bro, there's a special move on you, bro. Bro.
Oh my God! Stop it!
What are we doing, guys?
Stop it!
The head kick?
Stop! What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Stop it now! Stop!
Bro, what even is this?
I didn't even get a chance.
Who am I?
What even is
Let me try again. Rematch.
No. I got this.
You got cooked. You got cooked, boy. You feel me? Left-hander.
You'll see him like a casual.
All right, y'all. Well, officially, Mylan is the champion.
No,
I am.
Yeah, he is.
He just went on a little win streak, just like I was going on a little win streak. I don't think he's a
You did not go on a big win streak.
Yeah, Mylan won like he had us pass the sticks at least like 7 times each. He passed the sticks.
Bounds. I was just letting him win, and then you count that as he was really just the goat. I don't know.
It's my order. Yeah. So Ian, Yellow, sit down. Sit. So Ian, you and Niel, you still together?
Yeah.
How are you in a relationship like before me, bro?
That's interesting. Oh, well, not like really.
So, you know, we gotta talk about the birds and the bees, right?
We've already talked about.
I don't think we talked about the birds.
We did. Alright, we were just like we were outside or whatever. You talked about it. Alright. And we were talking to Amos or whatever as well, and he told me what we talked about him was, and he was like, oh, like,
Alright, let's go. We gotta get back. Cause we're so cooked, bro.
So, I just want to just make sure, like, you smooth. You feel me? For real. Like, real talk. Because once it's done,
We
it's done.
gotta come back.
I think you know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah.
Come back and
Once it's done, it's done. So just be careful. All right. Mylan, I don't think it's no birds and bees to talk about with you, huh? You ain't got no girlfriend?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Well, I hope y'all be
I need
safe.
to watch this.
Cause this storm is crazy.
bro.
I need to watch for 52 minutes. I need to watch this.
What is it?
Dream. I really like.
Speedrunner Hunter.
Bro, watch Dream.
Watch
Dream.
Dude, he hasn't posted them all. Oh, I need to put you on some songs. Like,
Yeah, send them to my.
I do.
You got my number, bro. You got a new phone? Wait, a newer phone, an iPhone?
this is the phone you got me, and we like sort of like split up for.
Oh, okay. I don't know why that look like an iPhone though. But yeah, just send me
like chicken wings.
Send me the messages or send me the songs.
Yeah, see, sure I do.
Is that your granny? I swear she always buying y'all food, man.
No, that was young.
Okay.
And she wanted to buy Mylan and me chicken wings.
You got a girlfriend buying you and your brother chicken wings?
I personally am not eating chicken wings. So.
But it's not when it take a gift from his girlfriend. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Something
bro.
she wants to give you.
I can't wait till that day, bro. But alright, y'all.
Listening to, bro.
This dude got the jazz vibes out.
We got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of walking to do.
Yeah, y'all do.
No, really.
I'm staying in, bro. All right, y'all be safe.
See ya.
All right, see y'all.
You wanna go down here?
Bruh. How is it that my nephew got a girlfriend before me, bro? This nigga only 16, bro.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier.